Here at the Snoopy Camp Store, and notice these art by numbers. This is a small one, 3.5 inches by 3.5 inches, and it's $16.99. Comes with the canvas, the paintbrushes, and the colors. And then they have a larger one, 8.5 by 11. This one is $19.99. Same thing, comes with the canvas, paint, and the brushes. They also have these Cool Bandages. Comes in a tiny little case. This is $9.99. These are playing cards, I think, right? Oops, focus. $7.99. And then these are new too. These are like fake game things, but it's water. So you push the two pads, one on each side, and it moves the rings. But it makes it look like a game controller. This is $7.99. They have this one, the Cool. They have a Beagle Scouts one. And then they have Snoopy with the Charlie Brown zigzag. And they also have these new cars, trucks actually. This one's got Snoopy on it. It says Snoopy on the door. Does the door open?
Oh, I got 3 in a row.
Well, the door opens too.
4, 5, 6.
This is $6.99. I think it's a pullback one too. You push it this way and then let go, and it'll go by itself. They also have a bus. It has Snoopy, Charlie Brown, Sally Brown, Lucy, and Linus Van Pelt. It's got the Charlie Brown stripe on it. This is also a pullback car, and it is $6.99 also. And then they have 2 of these cross-stitch kits. One is Snoopy with Woodstock, and the other one is Cool. These are $16.99. It comes with the cloth, the bamboo ring, 2 needles, color threads, 1 pattern, and a guide with helpful tips to get started. So that's it for this side of the store. A lot of this stuff is regular.